ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kemasan postemi A bat ke bapau baha ke kod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingte bakam benya kol hakini ke number harum.
Ka Grace Institution Bangalore ka college puli nursing ka babhatam na kabenta ki Khynnah ka Meghalaya kala play ya ka admission minta.
Kenot Liberty Higher Secondary School Joy hakar poi trik juliu arajap hosau kelapin ku Burom ye berok ki Khynnah Skul bila pass ba ke examen Sslc but Hsslc art but science stream jonus nem arajap hosau. Haka jingalang pen ku Burom lasa kilang do director administration ke Meghalaya Board of School Education Shillong ba McDonald Marbanyang ubolong ku Mukong San ke sub inspector of school West Hills District ke Kong Siling do ke ubolong ku Sembut Kong San. Principal ke school ba Richard B. Uria ki megi kpa ki no hikai ki Khynnah school bat kiwe. Kini ke desian ke bakhat lai ba ke NLSHS ke lapha ki Khynnah jangka ba ni khon ki examen ambos. Kumman jupente ba house nam arajar pusau ladan langut ki Khynnah pule jaga North Liberty Higher Secondary School ki bila yorung haka top first 10 position HSSLC haka science bak art stream. Haka science stream kilong uwe bha nong tudu lakyang bila wan haka kedan ke bahanrio baru Joshavian Onen Paswet bulawan haka kedan ke bahinyo. Kat bahak art stream kilong Freddy Q, Gwenet Ringklem bulawan haka kedan ke bahinyo. Kiwe pat kula syapan ke Burom ki kentop ki Khynnah SSLC ki bidan chispa lai pulaingon but HSSLC ki bidan kendai pusangon kentop ke science stream lai pusangon haka arts san pukandaingon.
Congratulate the schools, the principal, the management, the administrator, the teachers, all of you. You have done incredibly well. And North Liberty, like what Ms. Ligno has said, it has brought laurels to the whole Giant Hills. Every year, even we would like to check on the merit list, on the state rank list, whether North Liberty it figure or not in the list. And almost every year, it did figure, and this year they are extremely doing well with 2 positions in the science stream, which is not at all easy to compete with the school in Shillong City as well as in other places. But you have done it, That is really a very good thing. What Sir has said, that art stream, 36,000 students competing in art stream, and to get in the top 10, it's not as easy as we thought. It is not that easy, which means it requires dedication, it requires a commitment, it requires a thorough study, right from the beginning of the year. When you are in class 9, 10, 11, 12, you have to forget the world. You have to forget the world. Others, they may play in the evening in the playground. Others may attend the bereaved family in your locality. Others may attend the wedding in your family or in your relatives, but you have to think of your career. These 4 years, they are the very crucial years for the students so that they can perform well. And North Liberty is, I feel that it has brought blessing to many families. Why I say it's a blessing to many families, especially in the Giant Hills region. See, to get an updated quality education in our own doorstep, in our own Joy town, it is not easy. Many students, they have to fly. They have to go all the way either to Dehradun, they have to go all the way either to Kodaikanal or to Chennai or to other metros in the country to get that updated quality education. But here you are. West Giant Hill districts, when I check what West Giant Hill district is one of the, the advanced district in our state. Almost every year you'll find that they cross 80+ percentage whether in the Sslc or in the high secondary examination when we declare the results, which implies that the whole district is a promising district. It is a district which is going forward, and we have also testified that there are so many personalities that have coming up which the district has produced. They are very good in education, whether in the field of education, whether in the field of sports, whether in any other field. You'll find eminent personalities produced by West Jainti Hill districts. We have limited number of civil service in our state. Very, very limited number of civil service in our state. This is also one of the line which I feel that you need to focus upon. Yes, medical, to become a doctor is very good. To become a lawyer is very good. To become a professor is very good. To become a teacher is very good. And also, you need to think. You are in class 10, 11, 12, 9. Think what to do to become a good civil servant. What to do to become a good administrator. When you go to the Accountant General Office in Shillong, you will find very few of our own people from our states working there in the AG office. I think most of our people, they have retired, and none of our youths could do well nowadays. Why? Because I told you that the staff selection syllabus is very, very tough. Is very, very tough. The question which they will ask is that you have to think multiple times so that you will understand, not to find a solution, only to understand the question. This is a right time for you to start preparing. Start to collect now with the blessing of the technologies, internet. You'll get everything. The syllabus, you'll get even the reference textbooks. You'll get the guidebooks. You'll get the last year question paper. Everything is available. What you need is you need to have a determination how to do all these things. Then I strongly believe that one day Sir Richard will proudly announce at the stage that so and so students he cleared the civil service examination from North Liberty. That determination you should have. You should have that determination. It will be, a big achievement not only of the schools, but as a state, the state as a whole. It will be also, I'll come that time, to felicitate the students, to hug the students, because we are expecting all these good students to come up very well.